Today's episode of the More You Know podcast is brought to you by CrowdQuestion, a brand new social communication platform focused on connecting crowds to bring everyone closer to their community, as well as enhancing any occasion. Rather than being a social media platform focused on content and advertising, they're focused on communication and connection. Learn more about the platform and download the app free at crowdquestion.com.
I'm just trying to make it all make sense.
Today's
More
You
No
podcast.
Today I want to go through Dr. Cheryl Fraser's guidance to the art of the mindful apology. No matter what type of relationship it is, whether it be with a significant other, friend, family member, or someone else, when mistakes are made, you must apologize. You can't ignore mistakes you make, because if you don't tend to the wounds you created, they can accumulate, and unacknowledged wounds can build up walls between you. But as I've discussed previously on the podcast, mistakes are also our greatest teachers, and they give us the ability to improve and begin again. But to do so, you must acknowledge the mistake, and be willing to outwardly apologize. Being able to give a good apology is an art, and it's based in kindness, compassion, and generosity. And with this being said, I now want to go through the process of making a mindful apology. So the basis of a mindful apology is repair. An apology surrounds acknowledging a mistake you made, then repairing it. And there's 3 things that need to be done that makes up this process. The first is that you need to own the mistake that you made. The second is that you need to repair the damage. And the third is that you need to vow to improve. And there's a format for apologizing in this manner. You say I did X, which is the first step of owning it. Then you say I'm sorry, acknowledging the repair. Finally you say and I'm going to do Y, which is the aspect of improvement. No matter who you are, everyone makes mistakes in life. Nobody's perfect. And mistakes can either be negative or beneficial moving forward. In order for them to be beneficial, you must first acknowledge what you did. And this acknowledgement often comes in the form of an apology. By using the 3 steps that make up a mindful apology, you can repair the mistakes that you made. By doing so, it will assist with maintaining positivity in your relationships as well as making a tremendous impact in this world and crafting a life of significance. I hope this talk makes a positive impact in your life. Please subscribe to the podcast wherever you are listening or watching it. Check out other episodes. Leave a review. Follow the podcast on social media at More You Know Pod. And sign up for CrowdQuestion to ask me questions about the episode. Again, thank you for listening as we propel through podcasting with the More You Know.
I'm just trying to make it all make sense.
Today's
More
You
No
podcast.